To start this business, all you require is a GST registration. Don't panic. To get a GST registered, all you require is a PAN card, an Aadhaar card, and an address proof. If you have these three documents and some middleman, he would get your GST registered and give it to you. Now I have to file GST, I have to pay tax every single month. Do not worry, everything is covered and everything is supported from my end in your support period of time. In spite of all this, if you would like to run this business but you would not want to have your GST registered, it is still possible, but you will not be able to get full access of a lot of portals where you could get great offers on flights, hotels, travel insurance. But you could easily keep selling tour packages without a GST registration for your entire lifetime. So it is your decision whether you would like to register with for GST or not, whether you would like to get into doing all bookings possible or just tour packages. That is your decision to make. But either ways, I can help guide you to run and operate this business.